Facebook. Some people need to realize that Facebook is a social network and it's not a diary. The impact of Facebook among the people were drastically high nowadays. In this video, let me see some interesting quizzes about Facebook. Come, let me get into the questions. Question number 1. What is the first idea of Mark Zuckerberg before Facebook? Option A, Facetune. Option B, Face Mask. Option C, Face Note. And option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option B, Face Mask. When Zuckerberg was in Harvard, he had the idea of creating a site that allowed users to compare people's faces, named as Face Mask. Not surprisingly, his idea didn't impress Harvard's administrators, so Zuckerberg's project was shut down and he was threatened with expulsion. Question number 2. How many Americans use Facebook? Option A, 71%. Option B, 60%. Option C, 89%. And option D, 95%. And the right answer is option A, 71% of Americans. 71% of Americans use Facebook. This percentage is high considering only 38% of Americans use Instagram and only 23% use Twitter. Question number 3. Which gender use Facebook the most? Option A, male. And option B, female. And the right answer is option B, female. Women use Facebook more than men. According to PEW Research Center survey, found that 75% of women uses the Facebook and it is comparatively high, while only 63% of men are using Facebook around the world. Question number 4. How many photos are uploaded in Facebook? Option A, 200 million. Option B, 500 million. Option C, 250 billion. And option D, 150 billion. And the right answer is option C, 250 billion. Facebook users have uploaded 250 billion photos, which means that nearly 350 million photos are uploaded to Facebook at every single day. Question number 5. Facebook is super popular in rural areas? Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is true. Facebook is super popular in rural areas. 3 out of 4 American Facebook users live in the rural villages. In fact, 66% of American adults in rural areas use Facebook. It's followed by YouTube 64% and Pinterest 26%. Question number 6. How many languages does Facebook have? Option A, 50. Option B, 73. Option C, 100. And option D, 112. And the right answer is 100 languages. Only half of our Facebook users speak English, More than half of Facebook accounts are set in a non-English language. What makes it convenient for non-English speakers is that Facebook has over 100 languages to choose from. Question number 7. Which country uses Facebook the most? Option A, Brazil. Option B, Canada. Option C, United States. And option D, India. And the right answer is option D, India. Asia Pacific accounts for 38% of Facebook's active users. Indonesia, India and the Philippines are the countries seeing the biggest growth in Facebook user accounts. India has the highest number of Facebook users of nearly 260 million user accounts.
If you are having any queries, kindly post your questions in Google form given in the description. We will answer for that. To watch more informative video like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You will receive an instant notification of our new videos.